Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to install graphical user interface on Google Cloud Dataproc. By default, the operation system is Debian. So let's see what we can install on Debian. There are various desktop environments. In this tutorial I will choose LXDE. So let's start from creating the cluster. In the menu, you need to find Dataproc. Then go to clusters. As you can see, we don't have any cluster yet. So let's create one. This is the name of your cluster. I keep the default. Also, I will choose the standard one with 2 virtual processors. Then the size as 10, 2 virtual processors, again 10, and I expand my additional options. What is important? You have an image here and you can change it. By default is 1.2 Debian 8. What does it mean? Let's see what does it mean. There you have Cloud Dataproc version list and also our version. Okay, what we have? We have a Spark, Hadoop, Spark, Hive, and so on. I will choose this 1.2 version. Okay, let's create my cluster. The Google is creating it for me. Let's wait for it. Okay, it seems to be ready. Let's see all my machines. You need to find Compute Engine, then go to the Instance Virtual Machines. There you can see my master cluster and the 2 nodes. Let's log in into the master. I will use SSH. So now we need to install our graphical user interface. All these commands which will be used, I will list in the description. Let's start from the update of the system. Then let's install our GUI. Okay, I have more privileges. Yes. Okay, our graphical environment is installed. Now we need to install Vnc Server. Thanks to this, we will connect to this server. Okay, let's run our server. Okay, our server is running. If you want to check, you can type this command. As you can see, the server is running. This is the correct output. Now, what we need to do is install the client on our basic system, our computer. I have already installed this, but if you want, the installation file you can find there. The installation file you can find there and choose your system. Next step, what we need to do is to enable the network traffic, and we need to create a firewall rule. We need to find VPC network, then go to firewall rules and create new rule. There you need to type IP, it will be default, TCP 590 because this is the port of the Vnc Server, and targets all in my network. Create. The new rule should be created in a second. Yes. Now you need to choose your external IP of the cluster. Go to Compute Engine and click All Virtual Machines. There you can find your external IP. Please copy this. Open the Vnc client, type the IP address and the number of a port, and connect. Accept unencrypted connection, type the password which you choose before, and connect. As you can see, we are on the server with the GUI. For example, we can create new folder. That's very simple. What is important? Important is this, that you need to run the SSH connection. The console needs to be on, and the server also need to be on. In the next video tutorial, I will show you how to connect to the Hadoop interface. Take care, bye.